In this video, I'm going to answer one simple question. What the heck is fiberglass? Here you go. I get a lot of questions. What is fiberglass? Fiberglass is simply tempered glass that is manufactured specifically for use in fireplaces and fire pits. This, in particular, is half-inch reflective fiberglass. This, I've found, is the ideal size for applications on fire pits. It is not broken up bottles. This is manufactured this way. You can see that there's a reflective side, and when it's burning, it just looks amazing. It's actually reflecting that flame. Fiberglass retains heat. If that burner is burning for a while, the surrounding fiberglass is going to retain that heat, effectively making the ambiance warmer, hotter for longer. When you install fiberglass, check out this video to learn a couple of tips and tricks on how you can use less fiberglass and ultimately get the same look. But effectively what you're doing is creating a layer of fiberglass. You can use multiple colors, you can create a border. It's sold in pounds, typically 10 to 20 pound bags of fiberglass. How do you know how many pounds you need? Well, there's a fiberglass calculator based on the dimensions of your inside opening and the depth that you need that fiberglass. We have pre-measured kits based on the opening size, 24, 30, 36, rectangle, squares, what have you. But we've already measured how many pounds of fiberglass you're gonna need. When you handle fiberglass, don't do what I'm doing. Wear gloves. It's glass. This fiberglass does create a very fine glass dust, ultimately. Okay, so you have these nice big chunks. There might be some sharp edges there, but it does create a little bit of dust, which is another reason why you need to wear gloves. When you're choosing fiberglass, there's lots of colors available. Just look on the website, choose which one you like best. Follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, share us on Facebook. Comment, like, share. You guys know the drill. If you like this video, it goes a long ways to get your feedback. Thanks very much. Let's keep those fires burning.